Welcome to an extraordinary journey through the 20 greatest natural wonders of the world. From awe-inspiring landscapes to breathtaking geological formations, these wonders captivate the imagination and inspire travelers from all corners of the globe. Let's embark on this exciting exploration of the planet's most stunning natural marvels. The Grand Canyon, carved by the Colorado River, is a testament to nature's power and beauty. Stretching 277 miles long and over a mile deep, its layered rock formations reveal millions of years of geological history. Hike the South Rim for breathtaking vistas, or venture below the rim for a closer look at this majestic wonder. The Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest coral reef system, spans over 1,400 miles off the coast of Australia. Home to a diverse array of marine life, it's a paradise for snorkelers and divers. Explore vibrant coral gardens, swim with colourful fish, and witness the incredible biodiversity of this underwater wonder. Mount Everest, the tallest peak on Earth, rises to 29,032 feet above sea level. Located in the Himalayas, it's a beacon for climbers and adventurers worldwide. Whether you trek to Everest Base Camp or simply admire its grandeur from afar, the mountain's awe-inspiring presence is unforgettable. The Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights, is a mesmerizing display of natural light in the polar skies. Witness the dancing colors of green, pink and purple as solar particles collide with the Earth's atmosphere. Best viewed in Arctic regions like Norway, Canada and Iceland, this phenomenon is a magical experience. Victoria Falls, known as the Smoke That Thunders, is one of the largest and most impressive waterfalls in the world. With a width of over a mile and a height of 354 feet, it creates a thundering roar and a mist visible from miles away. Walk along the fall's edge for an exhilarating view of this natural wonder. The Amazon rainforest, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers, is the planet's largest tropical rainforest. Home to an unparalleled diversity of wildlife and plant species, it plays a crucial role in regulating the global climate. Explore its lush canopy, encounter unique wildlife, and immerse yourself in the heart of biodiversity. Galapagos Islands, Ecuador. The Galapagos Islands, an archipelago of volcanic islands, are renowned for their unique and diverse wildlife. Explore the habitats that inspired Charles Darwin's theory of evolution and encounter species found nowhere else on Earth, such as giant tortoises and marine iguanas. Sahara Desert, Africa. The Sahara Desert, the world's largest hot desert, stretches across North Africa. Its vast dunes, rugged mountains and arid plains create a landscape of otherworldly beauty. Experience the desert's tranquility on a camel trek and witness the stunning contrast of golden sands against blue skies. Great Wall of China, China. While not a natural formation, the Great Wall of China harmonizes with the stunning landscapes it traverses. Stretching over 13,000 miles, it offers breathtaking views of mountains, valleys and plateaus. Walk along its ancient paths and marvel at the ingenuity and perseverance required to construct this monumental structure. Paricutin Volcano, Mexico. Paricutin, one of the world's youngest volcanoes, erupted from a cornfield in 1943. Rising to 1,391 feet, it is a testament to the Earth's dynamic nature. Trek across its lava fields and explore the buried village of San Juan Parangaricutiro, witnessing the power of volcanic forces firsthand. Halong Bay, Vietnam. Halong Bay, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is known for its emerald waters and limestone casts rising dramatically from the sea. Cruise through this enchanting landscape, exploring hidden caves and secluded beaches. The bay's ethereal beauty and tranquil atmosphere make it a must-visit destination. Yellowstone National Park, USA. Yellowstone National Park, America's first national park, is a geothermal wonderland. Home to geysers, hot springs, and vibrant mineral pools, it showcases the Earth's geothermal activity. Witness the iconic eruption of Old Faithful and explore the colorful Grand Prismatic Spring. Iguazu Falls, Argentina and Brazil. Iguazu Falls, a network of 275 waterfalls, stretches across the border of Argentina and Brazil. With a width of 1.7 miles, it is one of the most impressive waterfall systems in the world. Walk along the trails to experience the thunderous roar and misty spray of this magnificent natural wonder. Angel Falls, Venezuela. Angel Falls, the world's highest uninterrupted waterfall, cascades 3,212 feet from the Ollantaytambo Tepuy mountain. Located in Canaima National Park, it's a remote and breathtaking spectacle. Take a scenic flight or trek through the rainforest for a closer view of this awe-inspiring cascade. Plitvice Lakes National Park, Croatia. Plitvice Lakes National Park is a series of cascading lakes and waterfalls surrounded by lush forests. The park's vibrant turquoise waters and diverse flora and fauna create a stunning natural landscape. Explore the wooden boardwalks and trails for an immersive experience in this magical park. Salar de Uyuni, Bolivia. Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, covers over 10,000 square kilometers. Its vast expanse of reflective white salt creates a surreal and mesmerizing landscape. Visit during the wet season for a mirror-like effect or explore the striking patterns during the dry season. Milford Sound, New Zealand. Milford Sound, a fjord in New Zealand's Fiordland National Park, is renowned for its dramatic cliffs and pristine waters. Cruise through the Sound to witness cascading waterfalls, towering peaks, and diverse wildlife, including seals and dolphins. Its untouched beauty is a testament to nature's majesty. Bryce Canyon National Park, USA. Bryce Canyon National Park is famous for its unique hoodoo rock formations. These towering spires, shaped by erosion, create an otherworldly landscape of vibrant colors and intricate patterns. Hike the park's trails to experience the stunning vistas and geological wonders of Bryce Canyon. Mount Kilimanjaro, Tanzania. Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's highest peak, rises 19,341 feet above the savanna. Climbing its snow-capped summit is a challenging yet rewarding adventure. Trek through diverse ecosystems, from lush forests to alpine deserts, and witness breathtaking views from the roof of Africa. Antelope Canyon, USA. Antelope Canyon, a slot canyon in Arizona, is renowned for its stunning light beams and smooth, wave-like rock formations. Explore its narrow passageways and marvel at the interplay of light and shadow. The canyon's ethereal beauty is a photographer's dream and a natural wonder like no other. These 20 natural wonders showcase the Earth's incredible diversity and beauty. From the depths of the ocean to the heights of the mountains, these destinations inspire awe and wonder in all who visit. Embark on your own journey to explore these breathtaking landscapes and create memories that will last a lifetime. The world is full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Let the adventure begin.